a pretty. George usually comes in with his highs, and then
Okay, do you take it from the top, please?
Yes. Kaka?
second two lines of the first verse, George and I were in Rockford, Illinois, and we were canoeing on this lake. And not a wilderness lake, it was just a lake in a park, so it was kind of just out there. But it was a big enough lake that you could kind of get off by yourself. And a storm moved in while we were out there. So we beached the canoe, flipped it over upside down, and sat under it. Oh my! To keep the rain off. And we just kind of sat there, huddled in the rain. And then the rain stopped, but the wind didn't. So then we had to fight the headwind to get back to where our car was. So that's so many times huddled in the rain, we fought the headwinds to make our day. It's kind of a metaphor for life. You do. you go along and on the journey, and you think
Keep
your
going.
path is clear, and something comes up to kind of move you astray, and you move astray for a little bit, and get back into it, and you still forge ahead to
I like how
the direction you need to go.
The verses.
Yeah.
It's a progression.
Yeah.